in the chat box. So 28th to 30th of December current affairs we are going to discuss. Tomorrow it will be 31st of December. And we will be ending into the year 2024. Day after tomorrow, a new year will be started with the new resolutions in your life, with the new goals in your life, right? So I'll also start the new sessions from the year 2025 with a new level of energy and a vision that more number of students will get selected from our daily current affairs show. Let's start the session then with the news highlights of the day. News number 1, Reserve Bank of India. RBI set up a panel for the ethical AI framework in the financial sector. So for the financial sector, artificial intelligence, a committee set up by Reserve Bank of India. Who is the chairperson of committee? What are the objective of committee? That we are going to cover in depth, in detail. I'll let you know the complete news in depth in today's session only. RBI allow UPI payment via third-party application for the PPI holders. We'll understand it also, like how it is going to work, what will be the UPI payment for the third-party application for the PPI holders, and these phone pay, Google Pay, what is their role in the UPI payment. इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. Next है trade receivables. So MSME, micro, small, medium enterprises, for them a working capital big solution is this trade receivable concept. It is a type of bill discounting concept, bill discounting or invoice discounting concept in the MSME sector. I'll explain you the complete concept also. And the data is last year in the year 2024, means in the year 2024, the total bill receivable business was more than 2 lakh crore rupee. The data which is issued by Reserve Bank of India. Next one, Tata Consultancy Services financial inclusion partnership with the Bank of Baroda extended for another 5 years. So TCS is helping BOB in two manner. One, for the core banking solution. Second, for the financial inclusion purpose. So this collaboration has been extended for another 5 years. तो इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आते हैं एग्जाम्स में. पंजाब एंड सिंध बैंक सिक्योर 3000 crore rupee in the first ever. Punjab Sindh Bank secured 3000 crore rupee in the first ever infrastructure bond issue. You know that what is the advantage of infrastructure bond, right? If banks are raising money on the infrastructure bond, they are not required to maintain which deposits. Tell me the answer. Which deposits they are not required to maintain? So welcome to Guidely, guys. This is Aditya. If you're watching the session for the first time, I would request you to watch till end, at least today. You will realize that for the banking and insurance sector examination, what is the need of current affairs, how to prepare properly, and everything regarding the banking current affairs, I'll let you know within the session. Important scheme, national news, international news, everything. Okay. Yeah, my health is not that much okay till now. I am on the medication. That is why I am avoiding currently to take the session morning 8 o'clock. But tomorrow I'll take at 8 only, morning 8 o'clock. Okay. Remaining I'll let you know. So for a few days, I know that you guys will manage for just for a few days unless I'll not be completely fit. PDF will be available on this Telegram group. There were doubts in the comment box where we will be able to get the PDF. So PDF will be available on this Telegram group, GA Genius by Aditya sir. Immediately after the session, you can download the PDF from here. Just go to the channel and in the file section, you will be able to see the PDF of all previous current affairs classes also. GA Hustle Batch, one-stop solution for the complete preparation of your SBI PO and SBI Clerk Mains examination. Currently till 2nd of January, means till 1st of January. Till 1st of Jan, the price of GA Hustle Batch is around 540 rupees. After that, it will be again 799. So we have decreased the price in the new year offer from 799 to 540. Please utilize the offer if you are preparing for SBI PO and SBI Clerk Mains examination. Without hesitation, complete confidence, you can use and go for the hustle batch. Don't worry about the preparation after that. GA will be my responsibility. What to prepare, how to prepare, everything I'll let you know. Bundle PDF course 2025 is also launched. So you can check the details of bundle PDF. It is one of the most trusted product by the student for the preparation of banking examination. And our IBPS PO online interview batch is going well with the 3 mock interview. You can check the detail. Offline batch is also available for the Delhi NCR region. Going toward the homework MCQs. Philip Neos. So Philip Noisy became means honored with the, he's an Australian filmmaker honored with the Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award at the International Film Festival Goa 55th edition conducted in the year 2024. One more question. What was the name of the application, that is OTT platform, which is launched by Prasar Bharati recently? So Prasar Bharati launched their OTT platform at International Film Festival of Goa. International Film Festival of Goa. So IFFI ये लिखते हैं ना, International Film Festival, correct है. International Film Festival of India that is conducted in Goa 2024. At this place only OTT platform launched by Prasar Bharati. Platform name is Waves. Waves is the name of the platform. So platform name is Waves. Waves नाम है platform का. International Film Festival of India that is conducted at Goa. Here only it was launched. यहीं पर इसको launch किया गया. 3 questions which are GA Genius Telegram group. In the starting of the session also I have told you. After that, Medhina, Jaya Shri, Shilpa, Harsha, Sai, Sumit, Ajit, Sabha, Shivang classified Reliance Communication, that is a subsidiary of Reliance Telecom, as a fraud account. फ्रॉड अकाउंट अभी रिसेंटली क्लासिफाई किया एक बैंक ने. किसके अकाउंट को? रिलायंस कम्युनिकेशन के अकाउंट को. सो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट बैंक? थर्ड क्वेश्चन. IDFC First Bank announced to launch their startup launch in which city? So in which city IDFC First Bank have announced that they are going to start their startup launch? चलिए, moving to the news. News number 1 from the regulatory body category. So RBI in news. RBI circular, RBI news category. Reserve Bank of India announced to set up a panel for the ethical AI framework. Question number 1. What is the meaning of ethical AI? So there are constructive and destructive artificial intelligence. Constructive artificial intelligence which is going to give the better push to the economy. Destructive, if you have seen the movie of Rajinikanth sir, robot movie, that is destructive artificial intelligence which can harm to the human race also, that is destructive. Or another example of destructive artificial intelligence is scammers are using the artificial intelligence to do the scam with you for the bank account and trying to dupe you to take all the money from your account, right? So that is destructive artificial intelligence in the current scene. So for the constructive or ethical artificial intelligence in the financial sector, Reserve Bank of India formed a 8-member committee. 8-member committee that committee will be called Free AI Committee. FREE AI Committee. Free AI Committee. From here you will get a question in the examination. Recently Free AI was there in news. Free AI was there in news. So what is the full form of Free AI? Free AI का नाम क्या है? So framework for the responsible and ethical enablement for the artificial intelligence. You need to learn the full form of Free AI first of all. ठीक है? Free AI का full form क्या है? So framework for the responsible and ethical enablement. So this is what the full form is. Learn the full form first of all. Then it is a 8-member committee. This 8-member committee formed under the chairmanship of Mr. Pushpak Bhattacharya, professor of IIT Bombay. So professor of IIT Bombay, Mr. Pushpak Bhattacharya is the chairperson of the committee that will evaluate the artificial intelligence to be adopted at the globally or in India in the financial sector. That what will be the maximum range, up to which range we can use it. The panel will also identify the potential AI risk. So prospect, a proposal of evaluation, mitigation, compliance mechanism, that if we will adopt AI, how to adopt, how to implement in the financial sector in a more way. Already AI came to the financial sector, not a case like Indian financial system is not using AI. So the chatbot which banks are offering you nowadays, they are based on AI only. But bank RBI want it to be adopted more, so our banks can grow in a X manner, 10x manner, 20x manner. So this particular committee, which is formed under the chairmanship of Mr. Pushpak Bhattacharya, need to submit their report in the 6 month. In 6 months, this committee is going to submit the report. So free eye related committee formed by RBI. Pushpak Bhattacharya sir is the chairperson. Committee work is to decide that what will be the artificial intelligence use in the financial sector, what will be the reach, how to implement it, what will be the compliance. This is what the target. Committee need to submit the report in how much days? 6 months of duration. Is this point clear? बताइए ये point clear है? Ritika, my health is not that good, beta. Means I am not able to talk for more than 3-4 hours in a day currently, and already there are sessions. Means yes, I told that we will be doing the MCQ session, but I thought that by Monday, means by today, my health will be completely fine. But it is taking time. Doctor said me there is a certain throat infection, so it will take a little bit time. It will take at least 5 to 6 more days that I'll be completely recover from this problem. Okay, so just wait for some more days, 2-3 more days. Once I'll get completely. RBI announced that the holder of the full KYC prepaid instrument such as the digital wallets, gift wallet, metro card now receive UPI payment interface through the third party application like Google Pay and Phone Pay. So Google Pay, Phone Pay will be able to offer Google Pay, Phone Pay will be able to offer the UPI facility to the digital wallet platforms. I'll give you example. Like there is Big Basket. Over the Big Basket, there is a wallet facility. And now with this wallet facility, UPI can be linked directly with the support of Google Pay or Phone Pay. So such type of wallet facility, gift card facility, those who are offering the gift card facility, similar to, you can understand gift card with the best example of Amazon gift card. Similar type of gift cards are available for the different platforms also. So the platform which are offering gift card or digital wallets, if they have full prepaid KYC instrument, so they can connect with the Google Pay or Phone Pay for offering the UPI facility. तो इन पर भी अब UPI का option available होगा for the payment purpose. This move aligned with the Reserve Bank of India Vision 2025 promoting the seamless payment interoperability, enhancing the digital payment and adoption. Issuer mobile application only. पहले सिर्फ ईश्वर के मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन पर लिंक था, अब आप किसी भी उसको पेमेंट बाय रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया दिस डिसीजन. ओके, नेक्स्ट है आपके पास वन मोर इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज regarding the trade receivables. First of all, let's understand the concept of trade receivables, or what is the meaning of bill discounting. It is also called bill discounting. So what is the meaning of bill discounting here? Trade receivable, trades is a platform. First of all, it is a name of a platform. It is called Trade Receivable Electronic Discounting System. It is a name of a platform. It is backed by Reserve Bank of India. RBI have launched it, you can say that. So it was backed by Reserve Bank of India. It have a business of more than 2 lakh crore rupee in the year 2024. 2024 में 2 लाख करोड़ से ज्यादा का इन्होंने बिजनेस किया in the calendar year January to December. So they have given the data up to now that 2 lakh crore already crossed. What is the meaning of it? Micro, small, medium enterprises, especially struggling for the working capital. They always have challenges for the working capital. Why? The payment cycle in the business sector is usually for the 45 days. For example, I am a buyer. I am buying a consignment from the micro, small, medium enterprises. For example, there is a MSME. This MSME make furniture, and for my office I need to buy furniture. So I am buying the furniture directly from this MSME. I said to MSME, I need the furniture of around 50 lakh rupees. They said, okay sir, we'll give you will make according to your requirement. They take a measurement and all, they created, they have manufactured properly that furniture, they have given to me. Now they are asking for payment. What I'll say, I'll make the payment, but I need around 45 days. For example, I am a furniture seller, not for my office. I want it. I am a seller. I'll sell it further. So I'll ask to the MSME that I'll make the payment. But payment I'll make in 45 days, not today. And it's legal. It's normal. If I'll take from other MSME, I'll ask same 45 days. If MSME will sell to another buyer, they will also ask 45 days. Those who are buying in bulk, wholesaler, not retailer, wholesalers, they take 40 to 45 days to make payment. Now in this duration, maybe MSME will struggle because of the capital working. So their invoice of 50 lakh rupee on me, that I am in debt of 50 lakh, I need to make this payment in 45 days. This invoice, this MSME will keep with bank, and bank will make the payment against the invoice. Bank क्या करेगा, उसका payment कर देगा MSME को. So bank will keep a little margin, like for example, bank will make the payment of 45 lakh. That keep 45 lakh with you, do your business. Remaining 5 lakh, we will pay you later. Not total 5 lakh, around 20,000, 30,000 we will deduct as a commission. Remaining will pay you later. Now after 45 days, when I need to make 50 lakh rupee payment, bank will take that payment from me. That this MSME will not collect payment now, we will collect the payment. So I need to make payment 50 lakh to bank. Bank will deduct 45, then commission of 20,000, remaining payment bank will make to the MSME. So this is how this bill discounting concept work. Is my point clear? Is this concept clear? Members in the trades platform, banks and NBFCs, they are the participating members in the platform. MSMEs, so MSMEs are the members who can sell their invoice. Banks are the buyers who can buy the invoice. So banks can buy the invoices. Banks are the buyers here. NBFCs are the seller. तो NBFC seller है, bank buyer है. ये ऐसे काम करता है, ठीक है. So I'm expecting by 3, 4, 5 responses that it is clear to everyone. Yeah. So 2 lakh crore rupee was the business of trades platform in the year 2024. In October 2024, it was nearly around 1 lakh bills with the combined value of 2.08 lakh crore. So 2.08 lakh crore rupee was around the total valuation. Okay, in 2024. So over 1 lakh MSMEs were registered with the 4 licensed trades platform, that is Invoice Mart, it is Axis Bank platform, M1 Exchange, then Receivable Exchange of India, and C2FO Factoring Solution. It is also called factoring business. In the hustle batch, I have already explained factoring business in depth, in detail. Factoring business, bank guarantee, bill of exchange, everything I have discussed. So factoring business with the examples and all I have discussed there in the hustle batch. If you are there, you simply go and check the class of bank guarantee, factoring, forfeiting, that all the terms I have explained. Reserve Bank of India, supported by the Ministry of Small and Micro Enterprises, which are actually working over the purpose of providing the working capital solution to the MSMEs. So one more point, government have done, reduce the threshold of mandatory trades onboarding from 500 crore to 250 crore rupee. 250 crore rupee, making the platform more attractive to the bank and NBFCs. So now NBFCs, small companies with the 250 crore rupee turnover can also participate in this business now. Bank with the 250 crore rupee turnover can also participate as a buyer now. So this is the onboarding. This is the onboarding mandatory term for the buyer, which is a bank or NBFC. So previously with the turnover of 500 crore rupee was required, but now it came down to 250 crore. This is also important point. ठीक है, ये भी important point है. चलिए आगे मूव करते हैं. Insurance companies can also participate into that. So bank, NBFCs, insurance companies, they can also participate into that. Next है, Securities and Exchange Board of India imposed 6 lakh rupee penalty on EBIX for the disclosure violation. So this is a name of a company. EBIX is the name of a company. So on this company, SEBI imposed the penalty of 6 lakh rupee. Why? Non-compliance with the disclosure norms. What is disclosure norms? So few days before there was a discussion in the circular of SEBI. SEBI issues the guideline that every company need to disclose their all the board meeting decisions, that what are the decision they are taking for the upcoming days regarding if they for the restructuring of loan, or companies going for settlement, or companies planning any type of fundraise by issuing bond. All such information has to come into the public information, general information. Okay, so Exhibit Cash filed draft red herring prospective with the SEBI in March 2022 with the withdrawal of filing in December 2023. The fine was followed investigation into the violation of SEBI issue of the capital and disclosure requirement. So this company, in a simple manner, this company name is EBIX Cash. This company was not disclosing their information properly in front of SEBI or in front of general public. तो जनता को बताई गई जानकारियां जो थी वो रॉन्ग थी. The information which was shared to the general public or with the SEBI, that was wrong. That is why SEBI imposed the fine of 6 lakh rupee on this company. 3 lakh rupee each, 3 lakh rupee on EBIX Cash and 3 lakh rupee on EBIX INC, on these two companies. This disclosure norm related guideline they were not following properly. 3 lakh, total 6 lakh rupee fine have been imposed. Yes, Charan, correct. Within 30 minutes they have to issue the information in the general public information, right? 30 minute का time देता है SEBI to issue this information. Securities and Exchange Board of India halt means stopped trading in Bharat Global Developer over the alleged lapses. So Securities and Exchange Board of India suspended trading in the Bharat Global Developers, a company valued around 12,000 crore rupee. Reason क्या है? SEBI said no trading allowed in this company. You cannot trade the equity of this company. Which company? Company name is Bharat Global Developers. In this company, equities will not be traded in the market until the further order. Trading has been stopped in this company. You cannot buy and sell the stocks of this company until the further order. The suspension followed the lapses of the company financial disclosures and fraudulent of the practices. So there was a SEBI find some fraud related to the allocations of the stocks, and the financial disclosure of the company was not found. It means company have losses, company was showing profit, company have NPA, they were showing non-NPA. So such type of financial related frauds SEBI was able to find within the company. So company issues the interim order to suspend the trading, also barred 17 individual including the managing director, CEO and directors of the company. That these 70 people will not be able to active in the equity market now, and company will be suspended from the market. Individuals are prohibited for buying, selling and dealing in the security until the further order. Reason SEBI said the action was prompted by the social media complaint. SEBI को information social media से मिला था. SEBI got the complaint from the social media regarding the suspicious financial and disclosure of the company, and SEBI have taken this regulatory measure. So company name is going to be most important. Bharat Global Developer. 12,000 crore is the market valuation of the company. 12,000 crore, and SEBI have barred this company from the trading until the further order. Till the further order, company will not be available to let me completely get fine. Okay, I'll start very soon. IndusInd Bank plan to sell 1,573 crore rupee in the microfinance loan. So IndusInd Bank plan to offload. Offload means to sell in the market 1,573 crore rupee worth non-performing microfinance retail loan. So it is a loss assets of IndusInd Bank. In which category? Microfinance category. Microfinance category means where the loans of 50,000 rupee, 70,000, 1 lakh rupees, such type of loan provided to the family, which are the family where the family income is less than 3 lakh rupee in yearly. Such type of family loan provided to such family. So this is the bad loan, or it is the loss asset of IndusInd Bank, and IndusInd Bank is planning to sell. Now to whom they are going to sell it, who will buy it? So this amount will be, this loan will be bought by whom? ARC, asset reconstruction companies are going to come. They are going to put the bidding. Whoever will give the highest bid, IndusInd Bank will transfer these loan to that ARC. IndusInd Bank will continue to support for the recovery, but the main task of recovery will be given to the ARC after that. ARC will recover and they will generate profit from there. This is what the overall loss asset can be utilized or reutilized, or it is called again the restructure or reconstruction of the assets. So it is reconstruction of the assets, that loss asset you are reconstructing and getting out certain fund out of it. So loans are the part of over million account have been sold due to the mounting stress in the microfinance sector. Bank is seeking to auction of these distressed asset through the public bidding process, that we will open bid and ARCs can come and they can participate in the bidding. Auction will be conducted on 100% cash, 15% amount, 15 to 20% amount, 20% max to max amount in the form of cash and remaining in the form of security receipt. So IndusInd Bank is saying we will sell it but upfront in cash, not in the security receipt. Security receipt accept नहीं करेंगे, यहाँ पर पूरा payment cash में चाहिए. If you are buying at 500 crore, we need 500 crore rupee cash. So cash payment करो, ले जाओ सारे loans. This is what the point of. It is write off. It is not waive off. This is called write off. Write off is a process. The bad loan removed or your loss asset removed from the NPA category and sold it to ARC. उसको निकाल कर कहाँ रखा गया? Loss category में, then sold it to ARC. That is write off, not waive off. In write off, bank and NBFCs are continue to recover the loan. In waive off, they stop recovery and this borrower is free from the liability in the waive off. So it is not waive off, it is write off. It is write off. There is no cancellation of recovery in this case. There is no cancellation of recovery in this case. यहाँ पर कोई cancellation नहीं होगा recovery का in this case. ठीक है? हाँ, it will continue to recover. Point clear? Yeah, Kaushal. So reserve price set by 85 crore rupee, which is translated into the 0.05% means, see what is the amount of this loan? 1,573 crore. Reserve price is 85 crore means bidding will start from 85 crore. Minimum 85 crore rupees the price to buy this loan. इस लोन को बाय करना है तो कम से कम 85 करोड़ रुपए का पेमेंट करना पड़ेगा. From here the bidding will be started. ये पॉइंट है आपके पास. In November, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank sold 270 crore rupee worth non-performing asset, including 208 crore rupee non-performing assets of non-performing asset and 62 crore rupee written off by the micro banking loan. तो इतना बस याद रखो, 270 crore sold by Ujjivan Small Finance Bank also in November 2024. Now IndusInd Bank is planning to sell. Here you have the point regarding IndusInd Bank. Like IndusInd Bank got the approval from Reserve Bank of India for launching Pune Wala FinCorp. So with Pune Wala FinCorp, which bank launched co-branded credit card? Correct answer is IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank is also planning to raise around 20,000 crore rupee by the bond for increasing the debt market of the IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank eSwarna, India's first corporate credit card RuPay network on the RuPay network was launched by IndusInd Bank. So these are the pointers regarding IndusInd Bank. Okay, Mumbai, Maharashtra headquarters, Sumant Katpali as our MD and CEO. We make you feel richer is the tagline. Tata Consultancy Services recently renewed their financial inclusion partnership with the Bank of Baroda for the duration of 5 years. So what is the meaning of financial inclusion? Financial inclusion means providing the banking facility, insurance service, pension service to each and everyone in India at the minimal cost or without charging anything. It is increasing the reach of the financial market. That is called financial inclusion. हिंदी में कहते हैं वित्तीय समावेश. In Hindi, we call it वित्तीय समावेश. Sir, what is the reason now? Lots of news regarding the write-off. We are moving toward March. The reason is we are moving toward March. March will be year ending. So before that, banks need to clear their balance sheet. It is a burden. So much NPA are the burden over the balance sheet of bank. Right now, bank will sell it. And bank, after selling these NPAs, will show that our NPA is low. For example, IndusInd Bank have NPA of around 3,500 crore. Out of 3,500 crore, 1,000 crore loan in standard asset, 1,000 in substandard asset, and 1,500 crore in loss asset. Okay, substandard, doubtful, and loss. 1,000 in substandard, 1,000 in doubtful, and 1,500 in loss. So they will sell this loss asset. And out of 3,500 crore in March, when they will issue the report, they will say that we had NPA of 2,000 crore rupee as on March 2025. So as on March 2025, NPA will be 2,000 crore instead of 3,500 crore after this write-off. I hope you got my point. This is the main reason. Clear? Chalo. Back to the news. Financial in Baroda. The deal aimed to enhance the banking services in the unbanked population, promoting the financial inclusion. So, TCS will deploy the financial inclusion gateway solution, which include both hardware and software for the bank data center. So, if the Bank of Baroda want to set up their kiosk, e-kiosk, where customer can go and directly customer can start the process of depositing cash, withdrawing money, passbook printing, all these. So in all that area, this hardware and software installation work will be done by the TCS for Bank of Baroda. So TCS will do the installation of all the hardware and software in the process of financial inclusion that will be followed by Bank of Baroda for the duration of another next 5 years. अगले 5 सालों के लिए किया जाएगा. ठीक है. The solution will facilitate essential banking services such as opening account, immediate fund transfer, that is IMPS, NEFT, Aadhaar, debit card based transaction, all of these things. So Pradhan Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana, Suraksha Bima Yojana, all these facilities can be provided. This is the extension mark 4th renewal of Tata Consultancy Services with the BOB, which started in the year 2010. 2010 में collaboration हुआ था. 2010 BOB collaborated with TCS for this purpose, financial inclusion. Now they are doing the extension again and again every year. हर साल extension करते जा रहे हैं. TCS founded in the year 1968, Mumbai, Maharashtra headquarter. Natarajan Chandrasekharan sir is the chairperson. K. Kirti Basan sir is the MD and CEO. Peak 15. Peak 15 is a name of a company, investment firm. It's an investment in the startups. Peak 15 partners divest means disinvest 1.5% stake in MobiWik at the cost of 82 crore rupee. So Peak 15 partners, formerly known as Sokia India and South Asia, previous the name of the company, disinvested or sold 1.5% stake in MobiWik at the cost of 82 crore rupee with the open market transaction, that is kept it open for the investment of anyone. So Peak 15, after the sale, their stock, their investment or their shareholding came down from 2.81% to 1.26%. It is called slowly company or investor is taking exit lane at the time of profitability. So Peak 15, it is a name of a investment firm. It is a venture capital firm. This company had an investment in the MobiWik. Slowly they are decreasing their investment. So recently they sold 1.5% stack. So previous investment was 2.81. Now it come down to 1.26. अब डिक्रीज हो गया, कितना हो गया 1.26. क्लियर? या चलो आगे मूव करें. सतीश, अब आई एम ऑल्सो नॉट comfortable by sitting only at home. Practically it is not like I don't want to take rest. I can't take lots of rest actually. That is maybe because of habit. So I can't keep myself away from the sessions more than 2 days. So I took rest a little bit more on Saturday and Sunday. But once it come to Monday, definitely I should go back to. And lots of interviews are scheduled, right? So not only these classes, apart from that IDBI classes I have today, then UBI, LBO, IBPS, PO, interview classes. So there are lots of classes are there. So I did be. But thank you for showing the concern for my health. I'll definitely take a little bit more care. So MobiWik initial IPO, initial public offering, involved the issuance of the fresh equity shares worth around 572 crore rupee with the no offer on sale component. Means IPO they came with the IPO of 572 crore rupee, and this company recently sold the stock. So this type of news, I'll tell you, this type of news, don't worry about an SBI examination. They do not ask very much business news. There is a pattern of the examination. SBI PO exam is more aligned. You will be able to find more number of news. I'll make a depth in detail video also regarding GA for what should be the GA strategy for SBI PO means. But in short, I'll tell you, SBI PO examination, if you will pick the last 4 or 5 year question paper also, you will realize most of the questions are around RBI circular, RBI news, SEBI news, IRDAI news. So one topic is regulatory body. Second, banking and financial news. This is actually business news. This news is actually business news. Business news is a favorite topic of IBPS PO examination every year. IBPS PO. They ask lots of questions based on acquisition merger. I'm not saying SBI do not ask, but the weightage is less. In SBI, they give higher weightage to regulatory news, banking news, after that your government schemes, news of national importance, news of entire. आगे move करें. Indian Oil Corporation announced 61,000 crore rupee for naphtha cracker project in Odisha. Naphtha, this one, naphtha. It is a type of petroleum product. It is called petroleum naphtha. It is highly explosive petroleum type. It is a version of crude oil only, very similar to your diesel, petrol, similar to that, but its use is a little different. Not very similar to your diesel, petrol, but a little bit different. It is used as the metal cleaner also. It is used in cleaner also. So when you used a heavy type of cleaners, so there also naphtha is used. In petrochemical industry also naphtha is used. This is what naphtha is. So it's a type of diesel petrol type of product. Indian Oil Corporation Limited announced 61,000 crore rupee investment in a naphtha cracker project in Odisha. It will be a type of refinery for naphtha. For understanding, it is a type of refinery for naphtha that will be created by IOCL at the investment of 61,000 crore in Pradeep, Odisha. So where it will be set up 1,000 crore in Pradeep, Odisha. So where it will be set up Pradeep, Odisha. The confirmation was given by the Chief Minister of Odisha, Mohan Charan Manjhi, in the presence of Mr. A.S. Shenoy in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, who is the chairperson of IOCL. So expected to be one of the largest project in this sector in India. It is going to be the one of the largest project in India in this naphtha cracker project sector. I hope it is clear. Punjab and Sindh Bank secure 3,000 crore rupee in first ever infrastructure bond. Advantage of infrastructure bond is banks are not required to maintain CRR, SLR if they are raising money for the infrastructure bond. If we deposit 100 rupee with the bank, out of 100 rupee, first bank need to put bid around 6,000 crore rupee, but bank raised 3,000 crore only at the rate of interest of 7.74 for the duration of 10 years. 10 साल के लिए इन्होंने फंड को रेज किया है. Infrastructure bonds are exempted from CRR and SLR, allowing full proceed to deploy for the lending. पूरा पैसा आप मार्केट में क्या कर सकते हो, lending पर दे सकते हो. Then Punjab and Sindh Bank, founded in the year 1908. New Delhi is the headquarters. Swarup Kumar Saha sir is the managing director and CEO. Coming to the appointment news. Amitabh Chatterjee appointed as the new managing director in Kashmir. Not by the central government, by the state government. That is why it is categorized as a private bank. So J&K Bank appointed Amitabh Chatterjee, the currently deputy managing director of State Bank of India. State Bank of India is the new managing director and CEO of Jammu and Kashmir Bank. So Baldev Prakash sir will be replaced by Amitabh Chatterjee sir. His banking career have the span of 3 decades, diverse geographical location, strategic. As the MD and CEO of SBI Capital, also he have served. Mr. Amitabh Chatterjee have served as a SBI Capital MD and CEO also, and have seen the operations in the different category. Definitely joined as a SBI PO years back. तो SBI PO के फॉर्म में इन्होंने अपना करियर स्टार्ट किया था. Now moved to the chairperson position also, CMD position of Jammu Kashmir Bank. After that, Maya Sandhu, sworn as the president of Moldova. Name is like someone is from Punjab, right? But the lady is from Moldova. So Maya Sandhu, sworn as the president of Moldova for the second term. Miss, not Mrs. also, Miss. Few boys from the session started thinking Moldova chalte hain sir. So Moldova, Miss Maya Sindhu became the first president of Moldova in 2020. She is the first woman became the president of the country after gaining independence in the year 1991, following the collapse of Soviet Union. According to the constitution of Moldova, a person can be the president of the country for 2 terms, for the 4 terms, for the 4 year each maximum. So she will be serving for the second term now. ठीक है, she will be serving for the second term now. During her rule, the country moved from Russia, sought closer to the European Union. 2022, Moldova applied for the membership of European Union also. So Moldova, new president is Maya Sindhu. ठीक है, name I know that you guys will not forget the name. Even if I increase the picture size a little bit, अगर थोड़ा सा और मैंने इसका size increase कर दिया होता, then definitely today this is the name which will be roaming around your mind for the whole day. Talking to boys, girls, don't worry. Talking to boys. So national, international, state in news category. Party design, love from Aditya side, sir. What's your name, man? So India launches UG minor in the quantum technology. UG minor in the quantum technology. India's undergraduate minor program in the quantum technology, jointly launched by All India Council for the Technical Education and National Quantum Mission, set to commence for the next academic session. So India's first engineers who will get trained in the quantum technology will participate in future will participate in future in the National Quantum Mission of India instead of preparing for the banking examination. ऐसा लिखा हुआ है hidden way में that instead of preparing for the banking examination, these engineers who will get trained in the quantum technology in their third and fourth semester, they will participate in future in the National Quantum Mission goals. They will be able to participate. So IITs, triple IITs, NITs partnered with the design to implement the course curriculum. ठीक है. चलो सही. Next one. Sachin Tendulkar accepted the prestigious membership of Melbourne Cricket Ground. So Melbourne Cricket Club, a prestigious institution of the iconic Melbourne Cricket Ground, have announced the legendary Indian cricketer Sachin Tendulkar have accepted the invitation to become the honorary cricket member. So now Mr. Sachin Tendulkar is the member of Melbourne Cricket Club. This is the honor for Melbourne Cricket Club actually, not for Sachin Tendulkar. For them it is a prestige or it is an honoring moment that now Sachin Tendulkar is the member of our club. They are doing like this. I hope. So they have sent the invitation to Sachin Tendulkar and Sachin Tendulkar have accepted it. Sachin Tendulkar, I don't want actually to give the introduction of him. You guys are aware about his whole thing. Just the important data. He started his career at the age of 16 against Pakistan in Karachi in November 1989. Before you born. Final test match November 2013 Wankhede, Mumbai. Puruskar. Bal means children Puruskar. Child Puruskar. So Rashtriya Bal Puruskar on 26th of December 2024 to 17 exceptional children across India. The honor was given in the category of art, culture, bravery, innovation, science, technology, social service. Honored with this award 17 children. Honor was given by President Draupadi Murmu. What is the name of award? Award name is Rashtriya Bal Puruskar 2024. So Rashtriya Bal Puruskar 2024. 17 awardees हैं, 7 boys and 10 girls. यहाँ भी girls जीत गई आपसे. So 7 boys and 10 girls. Girls are more in the award winning category also. No need to learn the names. If they will ask, it is difficult to remember also. Okay, point clear. हाँ, BOB master बिल्कुल correct है. BOB master stroke brand ambassador also correct है. Next one. China approved $137 billion mega dam project on Brahmaputra near Indian border. So Brahmaputra river, that is called Yarlung by China. China call it Yarlung. In the Arunachal region also it is called Yarlung. Same Brahmaputra river. So when you will read geography, you will read the name Sangpo, Yarlung. These are the names of Sangpo, Zangpo, Sangpo. These are the names of same Brahmaputra river. Same Brahmaputra river. Different name in the different news recently. ठीक है. UP Chief Minister inaugurated Atal Yuva Mahakumbh recently. Atal Yuva Mahakumbh in Lucknow to honor the birth anniversary of the Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. 25th of December, 100th birth anniversary of Atal Bihari Vajpayee was celebrated and Good Governance Day was also celebrated. एक दो न्यूज और हैं, देख लेना एक बार आप लोग जरा यहां से. अब मेरा कैपेसिटी कम हो रहा है, ठीक है, 2-3 ज्यादा ही न्यूज है, 4 न्यूज होंगे अप्रोक्सीमेटली. सो कवर करना है इनको फ्रॉम द PDF. I'll do MCQs very soon, as I have told you. I'll do the MCQs. I again have actually session at 12 o'clock at the hustle batch, so I need a gap of around 40 minutes so my throat can get rest, and 12 o'clock I can start the session in hustle batch. So hustle batch student, guys, November month banking and financial news part 2, part 1 we have already completed. Part 2 and part 3 will be today. So we'll complete banking and financial news from the month of November today itself. Tomorrow we'll start government scheme, some other topic. Okay, so thank you for joining the session. I'll be meeting you back in the next session soon. Till that time, guys, keep watching guidely. Take care. Jai Hind. All the